What's up, world? Mr. Da Vinci. I'm back with another video. As always, thank you for tuning in. Today's video, I want to switch up the content. I want to talk about how to email marketing, or for better grammar, how to do email marketing. And today I'm going to show you this website I came across. It allows you to do email marketing, also text marketing. And what I mean by text marketing is like how you text someone in your phone. You're able to save your contacts or email list, not only just their email, but you can also get their phone number so you can text them through their phone. I believe this is free, but I've used this a couple times, but this is something I wanted to make a video about just to help out everyone who's looking to make some money online, or who has an email list but don't really have the money to get started to mail out on GetResponse, Aweber, Market Hero. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Sorry about that. So this website is called email-nsms.com. It is support for world's most popular SMS, which is text message and email gateways. You can manage your contacts, create text message, email templates, send text message, email schedule, with your contacts, birthday, etc. Use SMS. It is building support for world's most popular, which is I've heard of none of these. So moving on, let's continue down, see what we got. It says you can send bulk text messages and emails with an attachment and template named like hello and first name. When doing email marketing, if you can get it to where you can send what you want to say but have their first name, they're more likely to open the email. I've tested that myself, and my conversion, my open rate went up by at least 10% by including my contact's name within the email. It says we have settings, system customization, contact management, most popular text message, email gateway support, SMS, which is text message, email template management, birthday with text messaging, email. You can schedule a text message or email, or you can send them in bulk, which I'm assuming you can send multiple at a time, or you can create multiple emails or text messages to be sent and have them saved. Let's continue on. So yeah, we just talked about you can schedule it, fix the time when you want to shoot, email, text message will be sent at the scheduled time. Super easy to set. You can send party invitations or meeting reminders. Design your email template using Visual Editor. Create email templates easily with CK Editor, HTML code writing option also available. Attach image, HTML tag, variable, easy. Let's have a try. Create beautiful emails sent to your customer. Then you can manage your contacts with group like friends, family, office, etc. You can import contacts from CSV file. You can also store same contacts in multiple groups. So if you already have an email list, you can just transfer it over. Or if you're looking to start a brand new email list, I'd recommend coming here. Over here we got some testimonials. Not bad. Oh, so I apologize. I thought it was free, but apparently, if you're low on funds, I suggest you go with the startup, which is only $7 a month, which is less than what you spend at McDonald's. It's less than what you pay for groceries, and it's just $7. It's not gonna make or break you in the slightest. And for that, you get to send unlimited text messages and emails, scheduled text messages and email, birthday wishes with text messages and emails, SMS email gateway support, SMS/email template management, birthday with SMS/email, and 24/7 365 customer support. Quarterly package, looking like you're getting the exact same thing. I'm assuming that you get more room for your email list or text message list, and lifetime is exactly the same. So I'm assuming the same for that as well. Let's see what else. Alright, so it says they also have other tools. So I'm going to show you that real fast. Okay, hold on. They have 50 plus SEO tools. So let's take a look at that. Now, for those of you who don't know, SEO stands for search engine optimization. This looks like, yes. So from here, you can use their website to analyze and optimize unlimited websites. So let's just do an email. Let's do an email marketing website. Let's go to aweber.com. See what it's going to pull up. If you're wondering, the link to this website is freeseoarticles.com. Let's see, it's loading up here. Alright, and I believe you can do this for any website. As you can see, it's still buffering. It's actually pretty fast. It's more faster than a few other tools that I use, but let's continue on and go back over here until that's done, which is this. So as you see, you get other tools just besides bulk email and SMS, which is again text messaging. Sorry for repeating myself, but I just want to get this very clear through your head that you can do email marketing and you can send text message to your email list or your customer list, and that way you can have both of them. You get the best of both worlds is what I'm trying to say to you. They also have video marketing. This is email marketing, so let's see what else they have. They have email scraper and validation, email and text message sender, email sender, and autoresponder. So just like Aweber, this is a built-in autoresponder, so that means you can correlate or you can send messages to have them scheduled, sent, or you can have them in bulk when you can just have a bunch of text messages or emails that you type at a time and have them sent out. You can send them out that day, or you can schedule them out for, I'm assuming, a weekly basis, probably a monthly basis, depending on what plan you get. And then when you're ready, you can just tie them all up, have them scheduled, and each one will send out on that day. So that'll save you time and you can relax. This is still loading. It's 36%. For this, I'm going to save you some time. So right here we have the title tag, which is like H1, which is headline 1. So that would be email marketing Aweber, which is the length is 26 characters. We have the meta description, which also plays a factor in organic SEO, and their meta description is looking for affordable, easy to use email marketing autoresponders tools. Click here to start your free email marketing with Aweber. Their meta keywords are email marketing, autoresponder, email newsletter, headings, H1, the email marketing platform built for you, the H2 tag, which seems to be doing actually third best, which is interesting because the H4 and H5, but it's build your audience. Second H2 tag is build your brand. See if we can show some more. Yeah, so definitely check this website out if you know about SEO, or if you're trying to do some research on your competition. This will definitely help you out. Just input their website, and this again, website is called freeseoarticles.com, and as it says, the title's free. It looks like it. Yes, it also show you the keyword of which the website you put in is being searched for and how many they are using. So you see Aweber, email, blog, support. Then we come down here to keyword consistency. As you can see, the frequency is 15, so that's a plus. I'm assuming goes 1 through 100 maybe, but we'll just say 1 through 15 for now. And as you see, frequency is good, title's good, description is good, and the headline tag is good. So they're getting good traffic for this. But no broken links. This is a video that I have to make on another time. I specifically want to just keep this on the basis of email marketing, but I also specialize in SEO, which is search engine optimization. So thank you so much for watching this video. As always, I appreciate you. Make sure to leave a comment below. Let me know your journey in email marketing. Are you using MailChimp? Are you using Aweber? Are you using Market Hero? Are you using there's another one, but I can't think off the top of my head. But let me know which autoresponder you're using. Have you tried email marketing before? What problems have you been facing in email marketing? What do you like about email marketing? What don't you like about email marketing? Will you be willing to give this website a try? And if you do, will you start gaining your customers' phone numbers so that you can start doing text marketing? Let me know all this in the comments below. I'll definitely do my best to respond to y'all. Definitely make sure to like this video. I don't ask too much from y'all. I just need y'all to show like so you can help the channel grow. And if you're not subscribed to the channel already, hit that nice red button on the side with the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching another video. This has been Mr. Da Vinci. Until next time, signing off. Everybody have a great day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Talk to you soon.